While the majority of the digital currencies zeroed in on blockchain and DeFi, they concentrated on information capacity, taking care of, and exchange. There were not really any players in the cryptographic money market who turned their regard for computerized promoting or video organizing that is picking up speed and the issues related therewith. Allow us to break down the ongoing subtleties of Theta organization and comprehend the Theta cost expectation for what's in store. However, numerous monetary forms have attacked the much sought-after digital currency market. The most discussed and high-positioned is Theta. Prime supporter Steve Chen and his devoted company of advisors, researchers, and calculation and blockchain specialists who rejuvenated this Theta crypto upheld him. Theta is a symbolic that controls Theta's decentralized video conveyance organization, fueled by clients and an inventive new blockchain. Theta is an open-source convention reason work to drive the decentralized streaming organization and takes into consideration vertical decentralized applications to be based on top of the stage to empower esport, music, television, films, schooling, undertaking conferencing, shared streaming, and more. To set it forth plainly, in the expressions of the prime supporter of YouTube, Mr. Steve Chen, I'm energetic and delighted to be a significant job player in the arising scene of video real-time. Since innovation has begun being the prevailing variable in the decentralized distributed network, Theta will saddle a large portion of it. With the outstanding development in the computerized promoting area, it is enormously essential that there is a harmony accomplished among publicists, distributors, and end clients, with the majority turning out to be increasingly more knowledgeable with interpersonal interaction and video instruments related with it. There is an expanding interest for promotion-hindering programming that sudden spikes in demand for in excess of 600 million cell phones and PCs, with large chunk of change and time spent on watchers' very own information. It has turned into a mammoth errand to synchronize the whole system's administration usefulness and prune the superfluous. The accompanying variables still need to be investigated on a worldview premise. Publicists pay tokens to distributors to carry their promotions to clients. Clients procure Theta for review advertisements. Consideration is observed in the Fearless program utilizing MLAI innovation. Sponsors get great returns because of expanded degrees of precision. The value journey of Theta has been created with huge cost changes. In 2018, it had quite recently begun its excursion with a cost of around 20 cents, and from that point forward, there has been no thinking back till 2020. Theta coin cost really somersaulted in the year 2021, changing the pattern from the very outset to the furthest limit of the year. Theta has had a notable excursion till mid-2021. In the wake of hitting a record-breaking high of $15.90 in April, Theta organization crypto confronted a lofty fall, and it kept on exchanging under tremendous negative tension until April 2022. Afterward, from the last May, the Theta token cost has enrolled consolidative value development to date. In any case, starting from the start of 2023, it has denoted a moderate recuperation and figured out how to exchange above 70 cents. The ongoing cost of the Theta token is around $1.09. All said and done, Theta's pattern has been very forceful, prompting a promising way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions. Theta value expectation 2023 because of worldwide market vulnerability. The cost of digital forms of money is probably going to influence pretty much. Yet throughout the course of recent days, the crypto market has denoted a critical recuperation. Alongside driving cryptos, the Theta coin has likewise reflected forward movement. Toward the finish of 2023, the Theta token cost could record a greatest value level of $2.32, while the base cost may be around 96 cents. Theta crypto value expectation 2024 in light of our Theta coin cost forecast for 2024. It is guessed that the Theta cost can hit a limit of $2.88 and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The most minimal Theta organization cost will be around $2, and the typical Theta organization cost will exchange around $2.44. Theta value expectation 2025 to 2025 could check the benchmark year at the cost of the Theta coin. It is anticipated to outperform a typical cost of $3.05 definitely. According to our Theta coin cost expectation 2025, the crypto may record the greatest cost degree of $3.60 while the base value level may be around $2.50. Theta token value forecast 2026. There is plausible that Theta organization will rise dramatically in 2026. Theta coin cost is supposed to cross a normal cost of $3.94. The greatest and least value levels may be around $4.65 and $3.23 individually, according to the Theta cost forecast 2026. Theta forecast 2027 financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2027, as the reception of Theta will develop dramatically. The most extreme value level of Theta organization may effortlessly raise a ruckus around town mark toward the finish of 2027. On the drawback, it might tumble to the least value level of around $4.10. Theta value expectation 2028 keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are forecasts that Theta is ready for a rise in 2028. The Theta coin could contact the greatest cost degree of $7.47 with a typical cost of $6.33. The base cost may be around $5.19 during the year. Theta organization value expectation 2029 out of 2029. The Theta cost might raise a ruckus around town mark according to our Theta cost conjecture. Financial backers might acquire incredible benefits assuming that they contribute brilliantly. The most extreme and least value levels may be around $9.10 and $6.32. Theta value expectation 2030 Theta organization cost is anticipated to reach somewhat around its past all-time high by 2030, with a typical exchanging cost of $9.93. Theta organization's base worth could come to $8.14. In light of our Theta coin cost forecast for 2030, we anticipate that the greatest cost should be around $11.72. In view of our figures, a drawn-out rectification is normal. The cost expectation for long-term end is 53 cents. Your ongoing venture might be downgraded. Consequently, Theta can be a terrible, high-risk speculation choice. According to the conjecture information examination, the cost of Theta is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30 before the year's over 2024. Theta organization is supposed to arrive at the very least charge of $2.34. Likewise, the Theta cost is fit for getting a most extreme degree of $2.77. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Theta, in 2023 the cost of Theta organization is estimated to be at around a base worth of $1.44. The Theta organization value worth can arrive at a limit of $1.67 with the typical exchanging worth of $1.49. Is Theta a wise speculation? An expected level of effort is consistently prudent, being a critical component here. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any misrepresented assumptions required on the off chance that you trade mindfully, facing a calculative challenge. What amount will Theta be worth in 2025? As per the Theta coin cost expectation 2025, the normal cost of Theta organization could cross the $3 mark. It could raise a ruckus around town level of $3.60 toward the finish of 2025. Where might I at any point purchase Theta? At this moment, you can purchase Theta at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange Theta, you should move your Bitcoin or ETH money from Coinbase to that particular trade. This is done by means of a wallet framework. Does Theta have a future? Theta is one cryptographic money that will have a splendid future. Riding the crypto wave, it will lead the computerized realm, thus for the purpose of installment, it would have a long rule. Is Theta a trick or genuine? Regardless of all discussions and contentions, Theta uncovers an exceptionally sound and dynamic biological system. In this way, it is a genuine stage.